it's very muddy. Damn, that's a lot of water. Welcome back to CGM Paradise and good morning. It's about 7:30 now. It's been raining from what I could figure out since about 4:30 when it woke me up, probably all night long, who knows. It's cleared up a little bit. There's still a lot of clouds out there, real dark clouds. Heard some thunder in the last 20 minutes. Anyway, we're gonna go down towards town. We're gonna go over to Wonderland and Soi Bintabaht area and check it out. So let's go. Looks like it's clearing up, but it flooded right here, right near Siam Handlebar Motorcycle Shop, and then right there is Soi 94. We're gonna turn left and go down there. It's headed down 94 a little bit. It's kind of mucky over here. It's not really draining that much, but it didn't flood here, just like it didn't flood on the previous video, and I'll link it up above here or down in the description, either one. Seems like Soi 94 on this end anyway is fairly dry, and hopefully with that new drainage system that they're putting in, it will completely stop all the flooding that goes on around Soi 94. I can imagine what this is like during the evening when they open up all the bars. I'm sure it's very muddy. Turn left here right at Wonderland. Yesterday this was all flooded, so let's check it out and see if it's flooded. Well, it doesn't look like it's flooded on this end. Drive down for a few minutes and check it out. Wow, this is really dry. That's good. A lot of these shops yesterday were underwater. Let's go down Soi 80 and check it out, see if they're dry as well. Of course, it's only 7:30 in the morning, so the bars won't be open. But let's see if there's any flooding going on through Soi Walking Street 80. Does look like they're fairly dry. That's good. There's not a whole lot of elevation here, so if it were to flood, the bars would get damaged very quickly. You can see that nobody's open yet, but they will be. They start showing up about 11 o'clock or so, getting organized and cleaning out their bar from the previous night and what have you. Oh, here it looks like they had a little trouble with the awning. Well, they'll have to fix that. Now let's turn left and head out onto Petchkasim Road. I'm gonna head down towards Bintabaht Walking Street area, and then depending on how much weather forecomes again, doesn't look good up there in the clouds, so I'm sure it's gonna come down again. But I'll try and get through Bintabaht and then take a drive over to Soi 102 area and see what that looks like. Oh, this doesn't look good. I was here yesterday. I believe this is Soi 26, Hua Hin 26. And it's definitely flooded again. Really flooded here. Let's turn left and go down towards the bars and see what's going on down there. Damn, that's a lot of water. It's all through this area, all down the different side streets. Find a dry one and I'll go down into the Bintabaht. These aren't dry. You can see all the flooding up on the other side there on the sidewalk even, so it looks like it was flooded over the sidewalk earlier. Here, this street looks dry. We'll turn down here. This is the main entrance to Hua Hin Bintabaht. All kinds of different bars. Hasn't been that active this year. Of course, they have some competition now over at Wonderland. It's still a nice place to come and have a few drinks and relax if that's your scene. Have a few refreshments in the evening or afternoon, whichever strikes your fancy. Turn down here. This is where the Aladdin, the Panama, a number of decent bars are. There's also Woody's Sports Bar and Bistro, which I've done a couple of videos on, and I'll go ahead and leave the links to all the bars and nightlife that I've done in the description, so make sure you check that out. And while you're down there, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Would really appreciate it, so that it motivates me to get out and make more videos like this and get all soaking wet for y'all. That's one thing I don't understand, why that big house is there. If anybody knows, drop a comment. Let me know. Why would someone build a house right there? Looks like it's pretty good. Let's turn right here. This is where a lot of the massage shops and salons are. So if you want a little bit of extra service, this is where you'd want to come. The regular massage shops are out throughout town, mainly on Pechikasem Road and over by the night market. Here comes the rain again. Starting to sprinkle. And I'm sure it's going to come down pretty quick. It's usually what happens here in Hua Hin. It starts sprinkling and then within 2 or 3 minutes it's really coming down. And of course there's no place to really pull over and take cover. Get back out on Soi Hua Hin 26 and see where I can go here real quick. We're coming back up to the river. Get out of here. if you can see it or not, but the rain's coming down. Like I said, it only takes a few seconds, few minutes. There you can see the water. All these side streets, or sois as they call them over here, are all flooded out. You get up here on Hua Hin 26 and pull over. There's some buildings that have awnings on them, so I'll find one real quick. Put on my rain gear. There it comes again. Just made it to the police station. I'm right across the street at the post office. Just flooded all over the place. You can see the water there standing. Let's turn left and go down Pechkisam Road. Go down here a little bit and we'll turn back up onto Soi 88. And head over towards the backside of Soi 94. There's 88. And then we'll go up here and turn into the backside of 94 area, right near Bang Kumpong. And then just up here on the right hand side, after Bang Kumpong, we'll turn. This is kind of where I started the ride, right in this area. And it is a little bit more flooded, it looks like, up above there. Down the road a bit, it looks like the sewers are backing up. It didn't look like this earlier. Definitely didn't look like this earlier. This is right where I parked the bike and started the video. So this is 94 right in front of us. We go ahead and cross there and drive down to Soi 102. Oh shit, more water. Excuse my language. That looks deep too. Oh well. Push on, right? All for you guys. So leave some comments. Tell me if you'd be out there in the rain driving around on your motorcycle. Doesn't look like there's any place for this water to go. I don't see any drains. Might be a couple down the center of the road, I'm not sure. That's basically a river. Back on Petchikasem Road, headed towards Soi 94, Bangkok Hospital, Market Village. We just passed the car dealership that's the only one in the center of town. There's others down the way. Nissan, Toyota, Ford. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe, be happy. If it's raining where you are, be careful. See you next time.